Today I'll show you the project at the KENO headquarters, designed by Ewa Warot from the R Design Studio. Be sure to keep watching. Hi, Ewa.
Hey there.
Tell us, please, what were the main challenges we faced while working on this particular office project?
The biggest challenge we faced was carefully matching the interior design to the distinctive architecture of this building and dealing with the complex acoustics, which are difficult here because the spaces are very high, concrete, and have a lot of glass. Additionally, we wanted the interiors to be elegant and timeless, while also including the specific color accents of the KENO brand identity.
When we talk about the acoustics, even in this room we can see an impressively large and expansive acoustic ceiling in the yellow color of the KENO brand. What was the reason for choosing this specific solution in this room right here?
Well, this room was large, high, concrete and glass-walled. So first of all, we wanted to divide it visually. That's why we used a specific layout on the floor that we carefully mirrored directly onto the ceiling above. We created this unique ceiling space in the shape of two large triangles using high-quality SilentScape Feltdecor material, with additional soft lighting placed in between them. And that is how we achieved the effective visual division of the space, introduced color, and improved the room's overall acoustics. At KENO, we encountered the problem that the spaces intended for acoustic booths were more like wells than acoustic booths. And to improve their acoustics, we used wall coverings with a hexagon motif in the KENO color, and we also installed a suspended ceiling. Thanks to these additions, we achieved the complete elimination of reverberation, outside noise, and echo.
This room is truly impressive. It feels just like a high-end premium cinema room. We are now heading towards the far wall, which we built from a very specific and specialized material, which is made of high-quality acoustic felt. Tell us, Ewa, why this material and in this location?
Well, it's a very large volume and a spacious room where we really had to take special care of the acoustics. Typically, the speaker stands on one side, and the wall on the opposite side must be sound-absorbing. We could have achieved that effect by using curtains similar to those found in theaters, but in this space, it would look like grandma's old drapes. Instead, we chose to install these elegant modular panels from Feltdecor, on which we were able to introduce an additionally modified, bespoke pattern that was tailored to meet the client's exact needs.
We often face various dilemmas in offices, but we don't always have to compromise. In this case, at the KENO headquarters, we used modular products that are intuitive to install. We improved the acoustics and created a consistent design at the same time. If you're also struggling with similar problems, let us know.